In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add courses to your Wix website. Start by signing into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your Wix dashboard. Once your site is open, click Design Site to enter the editing area. Next, go to the left toolbar and click My Business. From there, select Wix Online Programs. This is where you can create and manage courses and other learning experiences for your site visitors. Now click Create Program. Wix will give you a few different ways to begin. You can start with a template if you want a faster setup, let AI help if you want guided suggestions, or choose Create from scratch if you want full control over the program structure. Select the option that works best for your course. After that, enter your program title. Choose a title that clearly describes what your course is about so visitors can understand it right away. Once the title is in place, click Add Content to start building your program. This is where you create the actual learning experience. You can add lessons, upload videos, attach files, include quizzes, and organize any other materials you want your participants to use. Continue adding and arranging your content until the course is structured the way you want. If you plan to charge for access to your course, click Set Price. Here you can configure your pricing details based on how you want to offer the program to participants. After that, click Connect Methods to set up your payment options so Wix can process purchases correctly. When your content and pricing are ready, click Go to Editor. This will take you to the part of Wix where you can customize how your program page looks on your website. You can adjust the layout and make sure the course page fits the style of your brand and the rest of your site. Before publishing, click Preview to review the online program. This gives you a chance to check the content, confirm that everything is placed correctly, and make sure the course appears the way you want visitors to see it. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your online program available on your Wix website. Your visitors will then be able to access the course based on the settings you created. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.